All right, we are at the beach now. The cutie patootie. We got the young man getting the floaty flown up. We got towels. We got chairs. This is our first time trying this beach. Oh. All right, this is gonna be so relaxing. This is fun. You're too scared. We're too close. Oh, that bird wants them. You go, bird. Alright, now we're gonna go check out this Mexican restaurant. It says they have homemade tortillas. Alright, they even have a food truck. Look how cute this is, y'all. Alright, so we have chips and salsa. Let me try it. Perfect. Oh, that's good. Alright, and then we're gonna add some of this hot sauce. Let me tell you how hot it is. Pretty good.
Try it.
What do you think, Jess?
It's good.
Is it too spicy?
Yeah.
Oh, it's too spicy for Chan. All right, this looks good. We've got some street tacos. Oh, got lime, chicken, cheese quesadillas. Oh, the nachos look so good.
4 out of 10. There's flies everywhere.
Yeah, there wasn't enough cilantro. Actually, there was none. The salsa was a little unexpected. It was not fresh, really, tasting. And we're heading to HEB now.